Hello! Welcome to Talk Emma Learn English. Here, we learn English by talking, listening, and practicing together.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
I'm Emma, and this is Jack. We make videos to help you speak English every day.
Yes, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us so much.
Today, we are talking about the word take.
We will learn how to use take in the past, now, and future. Are you ready?
Let's begin. So, Jack, what did you do this morning?
This morning, I woke up, I took a shower, then I took the bus to work.
You take the bus every day, right?
Yes, I do, but tomorrow I will take a taxi. Haha, I want to sleep a little more.
Oh, good idea. So in this video, we will learn many ways to use this word take. It's a very useful word.
Yes, we will show you how to use it in different times, past, present, future, and in many simple phrases.
Exactly. Let's start learning. Okay, Jack. Today we are exploring the word take. It's one of the most useful and common verbs in English.
Yes, but sometimes it's confusing. There are so many meanings.
It's true, but don't worry. We will look at them in groups. Let's start with the most basic meaning. Take often means to move something from one place to another, to get something with your hand.
Okay, so present tense. I take a cookie from the plate.
Perfect. And past tense?
Past tense is took. Yesterday, I took 2 cookies. They were good.
I saw that. And future?
Future, I will take another cookie later.
Excellent. Now let's use it for everyday actions. For example, routines.
My morning routine. I take a shower, I take the bus, I take my vitamins.
And in the past?
This morning, I took a very fast shower. I was late.
Oh no, and tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I will take an earlier bus, I promise.
Good. Now another big category. Take for time. We use it to say how much time we need for something.
Ah, yes. It takes time to learn English.
Exactly. Give me an example from your day.
It takes me about 30 minutes to cook dinner.
Past tense?
Last night, it took me 1 hour. The recipe was difficult.
I remember. And for the future?
Maybe next time it will take only 20 minutes. I hope.
Let's talk about transportation. We use take for buses, trains, taxis.
I take the subway to the city center.
You took a taxi last Friday, right?
Yes, I took a taxi because it was raining. Next weekend, we will take a train to the coast.
That's right. Now, another important use. Photos and tests.
Can you take a photo of us, Emma?
Of course. Last holiday, we took hundreds of photos.
And at school, students take tests. I took a big test last month.
And you will take another one next month.
Please don't remind me.
Okay, let's change the topic. Take is also for food, drinks, medicine.
I take milk in my tea. My father takes sugar in his coffee.
Did you take your medicine today?
Yes, I took it after breakfast. I will take it again tonight.
Great. Now some special phrases. Take a break. This means to stop working and rest.
Everyone should take a break sometimes. I took a short break at 3 p.m. today.
And I think I will take a break after this video.
Good idea. Another phrase, take a chance. It means to try something risky or new.
I took a chance and applied for a new job last year.
And now you are a great teacher. Maybe I will take a chance and try skiing next winter.
You should. It's fun. What about take care of? This means to be responsible for something or someone.
I take care of my little sister on Saturdays. Yesterday, I took care of her cat.
And good parents take care of their children. We will take care of the garden this weekend.
Yes, the plants need water.
Now, a tricky one. Take can mean to understand or accept.
Can you give an example?
I take your point. It means I understand what you are saying.
Oh, or please take my advice. It means please accept my advice.
Perfect. Did you take your father's advice about the car?
Yes, I took his advice. It was good.
Let's do a quick review with different times. I'll say a category, you make a sentence in past, present, and future.
Okay, I'll try.
Category, daily activity.
Present. I take a walk every evening. Past. I took a long walk yesterday. Future. I will take a walk in the park tomorrow.
Excellent. Category, transportation.
She takes the bus to school. Past. She took a taxi yesterday. Future. She will take a plane to London next week.
Wonderful, Jack. You see, it's becoming more natural.
Thank you, Emma. This is helpful. I think I take English more easily now.
You mean you understand it more easily now.
Oh, yes. That's what I meant. See, I'm still learning.
And you are doing brilliantly. Let's move on to some essential phrases. Now, let's go through many essential phrases with take. Jack, can you help me? We use these all the time.
Sure. Let's start with a very common one. When a guest comes to your home, you say, "Take a seat, please."
Yes, that's friendly. And a similar one is take your time. We say this when we want someone to relax. No hurry.
I like that. Take your time is kind. My doctor always says, "Take your time" when I am explaining my problem.
That's good. Now for visiting, it's nice to take a gift or take a bottle of wine.
Yes, last week we took a gift to our friend's birthday party. Next month, we will take flowers to your mother.
That's sweet. Now here's an important one. Take care.
Oh, yes. We say take care for goodbye, or take care of yourself. Like, Mom, take care of your health.
Exactly. And you can take care of a task. Can you take care of the shopping today?
I took care of it yesterday, actually. I will take care of the cleaning tomorrow.
Perfect. Now some phrases for work or study. Take notes.
Very important. I always take notes in our meetings. I took many notes in your lesson last time.
Good. And take a break. Everyone needs to take a break.
Present, I need to take a break right now. Past, we took a short break at 11 a.m. Future, I will take a long break this weekend.
Brilliant. Now for opportunities. Take a chance. It means to try something even if you are not sure.
I took a chance and sang karaoke last month. It was so fun. Maybe you will take a chance and dance with me later?
We'll see. Another one is take an opportunity. You should take the opportunity to travel.
I agree. I took the opportunity to visit Paris when it was cheap.
Good for you. Now phones and messages. Take a call.
Please take this call. It's your boss. Or, I can't take your call right now.
And if someone is not there, you can take a message.
Hello, John is not here. Can I take a message?
Perfect. Now some phrases about understanding. Take my word for it. It means believe me.
The cake is delicious. Take my word for it. I took his word for it and tried the soup. It was great.
And if you understand someone's feeling, you say, I take your point.
Yes. In our discussion, you said learning is hard. I take your point, but practice helps.
Exactly. Now for mistakes or problems, take responsibility.
A good leader takes responsibility. He took responsibility for the team's mistake.
And sometimes we have to take the blame. It's similar.
Not fun, but important.
Now some fun phrases. Take it easy.
My favorite. It means relax. I tell myself, Jack, take it easy when I'm stressed. Take it easy, everyone.
And take a look. It means to look at something. Take a look at this beautiful picture.
I took a look at your new phone. It's nice. I will take a closer look later.
Please do. Now for decisions, take a vote or take your pick. That means choose what you want.
For dessert, you can take your pick. Cake or ice cream. I took the ice cream last time.
Of course you did. Now a very useful one. It takes practice.
That's the truth for English. It takes practice to speak well. It took a lot of practice for me to cook eggs.
And it will take more practice, I think.
Hey, okay, yes, it will.
Another, take a deep breath. We say this when someone is nervous.
Before my test, I took a deep breath. It helps. Take a deep breath, Emma, before we do the next part.
Thank you, Jack. I will. Now, for sickness, take sick leave or take a day off.
My coworker took a day off yesterday. She was sick. I think I will take a day off next Friday.
For a fun reason, I hope. Now, finally, some with take and place. Take place.
It means happen. Where will the meeting take place? It took place in room 5 last week.
And take the place of, it means to replace.
Can a robot take the place of a teacher? Never.
I hope not. Jack, you did a fantastic job with all these phrases.
Thank you. It took a lot of brain power, but it was fun.
It was! And now our viewers have so many essential phrases to use every day.
Let's talk about some of those take phrases more. Sometimes they are a little tricky.
That's a great idea, Jack. It's good to review. Which one should we start with?
What does take off really mean? We use it a lot.
Take off. The most common meaning is to remove something, like, I take off my jacket when I come inside.
Okay, so present. And in the past?
Yesterday, you came in from the cold, and you...
I took off my wet coat and my shoes. Right.
Perfect. But take off has another very common meaning.
Oh, for planes. The plane takes off at 9 a.m. It means to leave the ground and fly.
Exactly. So last week, my flight...
Your flight took off on time. And next month, my flight will take off in the evening.
Wonderful, you've got it.
Okay, what about take up? Is it just for food?
Not just for food, but that's a big one. Let's take out pizza tonight. It means to get food from a restaurant to eat at home.
We took out Chinese food last Saturday. It was so good. Maybe we will take out sushi tomorrow?
Maybe. But take out also means to remove something. Please take out the trash. Or I need to take out $50 from the bank.
I see. So yesterday I took out the recycling, and I need to take out some money for the market later.
Exactly. Now, a positive one. Take up. This often means to start a new hobby or activity.
Oh, I want to take up guitar. I took up cooking last year, thanks to you.
And you're getting very good. Do you think you will take up painting, too?
Maybe. It takes up a lot of time, right? To take up time means to use a lot of time.
That's a great connection, Jack. Yes, a new hobby takes up your free time. My gardening takes up most of my Sundays.
Here's a funny one. Take after. It means to be similar to an older family member.
Yes, usually in looks or personality. Who do you take after, Jack?
People say I take after my father. We have the same eyes and the same loud laugh.
That's true. And I think I take after my mother. We are both very organized.
Your mother is nice and very organized. Yes, you take after her.
Let's try take part in. This is a formal way to say join or participate.
Like, I want to take part in the school festival.
Did you take part in any sports when you were young?
Yes, I took part in a football team for 1 year. I wasn't very good, but next year I want to take part in a conversation club.
That's a perfect plan.
What does take over mean? It sounds strong.
It can be. It means to get control of something. The new manager will take over the project next week.
Oh, in history, sometimes one country takes over another country. And in my office, Sarah took over the meeting when our boss was sick.
That's a great everyday example. Sometimes it's peaceful, like, can you take over the stirring when cooking?
And take back, like return something.
Yes, that's one meaning. I need to take back this book to the library. It means to return it.
I took back the sweater I bought. It was the wrong size. But you can also take back something you said, right?
Oh, that's a very good point. That means to apologize for your words. I'm sorry, I take back what I said about your cooking.
Thank you. And I take back what I said about your singing. It's not that bad.
Hey, I'll take that as a compliment, I think.
Take that as. That's another one. To take something as means to understand it in a certain way.
Yes, you can take that as a promise. I mean, you can believe it is a promise.
I take your smile as a sign you are happy.
I am. Let's do one more. Take on. This can mean to accept a responsibility or a challenge.
It's a lot of work to take on a new project. At work, I took on extra tasks last month.
You did, and you handled them very well. Would you take on the role of team leader?
That's a big challenge. I will think about it. I don't want to take on too much.
That's very wise, Jack. It's important to know your limits.
Wow, we really took apart this word take, didn't we?
We sure did, and you understood everything perfectly. This is how you build real vocabulary, seeing how one word works in many, many situations.
It takes patience, but it's worth it.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
We talked a lot about the word take today.
We really did. I feel like we took a very long journey with this one little word.
We did. From taking a bus to taking a chance to taking care of someone. It's amazing how one word can do so much.
It really is. That's English for you, full of small, powerful words. So, Jack, what was the most useful or surprising phrase for you today?
Let me think. I think take it easy is my favorite. It's so friendly and useful. And take after was funny to learn. I never knew how to say I look like my father in that way.
Take after is a good one. For me, I always like teaching take your time. It's such a kind and patient thing to say to someone who is learning.
Yes, it is. So, for everyone watching, what did you think? What is your new favorite phrase with take?
We hope you learned many new ways to use it. Remember, you practiced listening with us today. You heard take in the past, present, and future.
And you learned so many essential phrases. You can use them tomorrow.
Absolutely. The best way to remember is to take 2 or 3 phrases and try to use them this week. You don't need to take on all 100 at once.
Yes, just take it slowly. Take one step at a time. Maybe you take a note in your phone or in a notebook.
Perfect advice, Jack. Practice a little English every day, even 5 minutes. It takes consistency, but you can do it.
We believe in you, really. Every time you take a few minutes to practice, your English gets stronger.
Okay, now for our favorite part, our question of the day for the comments.
Yes. Today's question is, what is something you always take with you when you leave your house?
It can be your phone, your keys, a good luck charm, anything.
Please tell us in the comments below. We read every single one and we love learning about you.
It's the best part of our week. Your comments take our smiles and make them bigger.
That's true. Thank you for being such a wonderful community of learners.
Thank you for learning with us today. You did a great job.
Remember, take care of yourselves, take it easy, and we will see you next time.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.